The LinkedIn Insight tag is a lightweight JavaScript piece of code that powers conversion tracking, website audiences, and website demographics. The Insight tag should be incorporated as a standard component of your website's pages. To add the Insight tag to your web page, sign into Campaign Manager. Select your account name. Click on Account Assets and select Insight tag. Then, click on See My Insight tag. You can install the tag yourself, send it to your website developer, or use a tag manager. When you choose to install the Insight tag yourself, you'll need to add the JavaScript code to your website. We recommend that you add the tag to the global header or footer of your site. This way, you can track conversions or retarget on any page across your entire site. The second option, I will send it to a developer, generates an automatic email to yourself that you just need to forward to your website administrator. Easy! If you currently use any of the tag managers that are compatible with LinkedIn, you can use it to easily add the tag to your website without changing your code. Use your partner ID to identify your account and follow the instructions provided by your selected tag manager. Done! You are now ready to start tracking your website audiences. Remember that it may take up to 24 hours to verify your domain, and that you'll need to have 300 visitors or more to visit your page before you will see data.